How to use DeepSeek R1 for free. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. So DeepSeek R1 is a reasoning model which has outperformed OpenAI 01 on many benchmarks. Let's go ahead and see how many times we can use DeepSeek R1. Open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in DeepSeek R1 and you will see DeepSeek here. Open it. Click on Start Now. Then get logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can also create one. Now, as you get logged into your DeepSeek account, you will see a page like this. Here you will automatically see DeepThink R1. Click onto it, and now this will convert into DeepThink R1. Let's go ahead and ask this some questions. I'm going to go ahead with this mathematical questions and enter. Now likewise, you can ask various questions, either that's mathematical or theoretical. Now the question of how many times you can use DeepSeek R1 and is it free or not. If you Google search it, the browser version of DeepSeek R1 allows for maximum 50 messages. Now you can easily ask various questions that are less than 50 messages and get some answers to your questions. Just like so guys, this is how you can use DeepSeek R1 for free. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.